Standard 2nd. Hello kids, myself Pratima Singh. We are going to learn a very interesting topic, concept of division. Children with one example. Saroj has 10 bits. If each child is to get 2 bits, how many children will get the bits? Now let's see children how many children gets bits if each child will get 2 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 children will get 2 bits. Now we can see here total number of bits 10 divided 2 bits to each children. So equal to how much? Here we can see children 10 bits divided into 2 equal parts. So 2 into 5 we get 10. So 10 minus 10 we get remainder 0. Now let's see some important points regarding division. The number that divides is known as divisor. The number to be divided is called dividend. The number we get on dividing the number is quotient. The number that remains after dividing is known as remainder. Now let's see another example. Manish has 15 flowers. How many children will get flower if each child is given 3 flowers? Now let's see how many children will get flower if each child is given equally 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 children will get 3 flowers equally. So children, here total number of flowers are 15 and divided by 3. So equal to how much? Here total number of flowers 15 divided into 3 equal parts. So 3 into 5 equal to we get 15. So remainder we get 0. It means 5 children are getting 3 flowers each. Now let's see children another sum. Salim has 16 bits. How many children will get the bits if each child is given 4 bits? There are 16 bits. Now let's see how many children will get the bits if each child is given 4 bits. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 children are getting 4 equal number of bits. Here we can see total number of bits 16 divided by 4 in equal parts. So, how many children will get the bits? Let's divide. Total number of bits 16. Divide by 4. So, 4 into 4. So, total 4 children will get the bits. So, we get remainder 0. Now, we can see children another sum. Sagar has 20 chalk. How many children will get the chalks if each child is given 5 chalks? We know children Sagar has 20 chalk. So let's see how many children will get the chalks if each child is given 5 chalks. Let's divide 5 chalks in each child. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 children will get 5 chalks each. Now we can see children here total number of chalks 20. Divide by 5 chalks in equal part. So how many children will get the chalks? Let's divide. Let's see children here. Total number of chalks 20. Divide by 5 in equal part. So, we know that 5 into 4 equal to we get 20. So, 20 minus 20 we get here remainder 0. So, here total 4 children will get equal number of 5 chalks. Now let's see children another sum. Molly has 35 marbles. He divides them equally among his 5 friends. How many marbles does each friend get? Here we can see total number of 35 marbles. Now let's see how many children will get the marbles if each child is given 5 marbles. Let's divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 children are getting 5 equal number of marbles. Here we can see total number of marbles 35. Divide 5 in equal part. So, how many children will get the marbles? Let's divide. Total number of marbles 35. Divide by 5 in equal part. So, 5 sevens are 35. 35 minus 35 we get 0. So, here we can say 7 children will get 5 marbles each. Now, let's do some activity. Santa is excited to divide the snacks among the elves. In each workstation, Mr. Santa said that he gets to eat the remaining snacks. He seems to be having trouble. Can you help him? Santa needs 6 carrots for each carrot pie. Rudolph bought 24 carrots. How many carrot pies can Santa make? Today's homework will be I need to divide these 18 carrots equally among 6 reindeers. How many carrots will each of them get? Divide each sums and write reminder and quotation. Divide each number by 5. One example is shown to you. 5 fours are 20. Like that, you have to do all. I hope children you had enjoyed lesson very well. Thank you.